this kind of mess I have here. This is my today's work to install these to our van. We haven't had reversing camera in our van, never. Now finally we will install reversing camera. I didn't go the easy way or normal way. Van itself is pre-wired with 6-pin DIN. So basically buying a 2-DIN player you can plug it in and that's it. Well, I didn't want to buy any crappy Android player with the 500 euros or pay over 1000 euros for good Android player. So this way I can have with the cords picture of the backup camera in my phone. And for the phone part I bought this easy cap. This is basically a RCA video capture card that you plug into OTG supported phone. If I get fed up with this guy over here, I can always buy these Wi-Fi senders. So basically it's a RCA plug-in and then it comes with the Wi-Fi and you can plug it in here. So that's another option, but now I will go with the wired route. I have the wires already routed to our van, so I bought pretty cheap China camera which has decent picture. Not good, but decent. Yes, I'm gonna plug this in to this cord and have it endless 12 volts. Usually people put them to the reverse 12 volts so it will turn on always when you put the reverse, but I want to use it when I want, so it's always 12 volts on. All this has to be installed. I have some soldering I have to do to get the 12 volts, and I have to rip this cable apart because, well, this doesn't have RCA, so I'm just gonna take the cable from there and solder it to this bad boy over here. What else? Have to do some hole back there to the camera. It's a small hole. Pretty easy install. Nothing special, just some wiring and that's it. I came to my workplace because I want to be here because I have all the tools that I can use from our shop. Now the installation is done and it works. So I took the electricity for the camera from the registration plate light. This is just 0.3 amps that it consumes, so it's totally okay to take, and now I can see the picture. I'm pleased. Now I just pack things up and go get Sarah from the work. So this one installation is done. Installation is almost done. So I rerouted wires that they are behind those covers, and everything is also quite neatly here. So the camera is here on this place and it's going through this canal to the frame of the van, and then it goes up to the pre-wired RCA cable, or it was the 6-pin DIN cable, but I stripped it open and I made it to RCA. This kind of stupid connection, and I didn't have that kind of connection in my devices, so I changed it. Pretty easy job, just a couple of rewiring I had to do, but otherwise it was just plug and play. I'm just gonna go and put these covers back on, and then this part of the van is done. Yeah. Then I make some kind of neat installation at the front of the van, so I have only USB card coming from the dashboard, and I just connect that to my phone and I can get the camera feed there. 30 euros was the total cost of the installation, so not much. 20 euros for the camera and 10 euros for the video grabber that is between the RCA wire and the phone. Yeah, it basically turns just the RCA video signal to the USB that you can connect to your phone, which has OTG support.